How's everybody? Big Jim Country Boy here, and we're gonna make some food out of our preps. We have some white northern beans, and there's a packet inside. It's like ham bouillon. These are called ham beans. As you saw in my prepping video, we put up in canning jars, and then we got some dehydrated, freeze-dried chopped onions and peppers I got off of Walmart.com, and then we got ham left, ham bone, and some bay leaves, and we're going to start this recipe off in the crock pot and let these beans soak. So let's get to it. Okay, so into the pot we're going to put our ham that was left over. Two bay leaves. Our jar of white beans. A quarter cup, without the oxygen absorber, a quarter cup of peppers. And then our onions. There's a quarter cup. And 2 quarter cups, which is a half a cup. And what we have here, it came with our beans, is why they call them ham beans, is because it comes with this ham flavor packet. And we're going to go ahead and add that in there too. So now we're going to add some water to this. Now what I do is, because it takes forever for crock pots to heat up water, I heat it up in my coffee pot. And then I'll just pour this hot water over the top of everything. And if it's not enough, I'll make another pot in the coffee maker. Looks like I'm going to need another half a pot of hot water. And then we'll put the lid on here. And I'll leave it on high until it gets good and hot. And then I'm just going to put this on warm overnight and go to bed. Let it cook for a while. Get those beans going, because we didn't pre-soak them or nothing. So that's kind of what we're going to do. Get this hot and shut it down. I'll catch you back in a little while. Looking pretty good. Smells good. It's been on keep warm now for about 4 hours. You can see the beans are starting to cook good. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn it all the way up to high. Cook it some more now until that ham comes off that bone. Okay, so here's our soup. I'm sure you all know how to use a knife. I didn't show it on the camera, but I took that bone out with the ham when it fell off the bone, and then I diced it up a little bit with a knife and put it back in here. A good recommendation is to fish the bay leaves out and discard them so nobody chokes. Ladle a nice bowl of this out. Hit it with a little dash of some herbs for garnish. Maybe some sliced green onions or chives, whatever you like. Parsley flakes. Fried chives. Fresh is better, but they'll work. Take a taste. Best soup I ever had. Hope you enjoy it. Nice crock pot recipe. Use up some of those preps. We got the beans out of our preps, and then some dehydrated peppers and onions, and a ham bone and some herbs on top's about it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. We desperately need subscribers and watch time to keep the channel rolling. Thank you very much. You have a wonderful day.